Peace, love, and gratitude for joining me. I am Amethyst Siya, and today we are going to activate our root or Sefkhet Chakra or Arit. This area is at the base of the spine and it represents our survival, our stability, our foundation, our security, our protection. So we will complete movements that keep us low to the ground and connected to earth. So go ahead and get comfortable. Find a seat wherever you are. And begin to send the arms out to the side and all the way up as you inhale deep. Turn the palms outward. Exhale slowly, bringing your fingers to meet your mat. Just take a moment to feel the ground beneath you. Feel connected to the earth. And inhale that right arm all the way up and lean over as you exhale. Really feel that stretch in your right side body. Inhale both arms back up to the sky. Exhale, lean over to your right, keeping your hip bones connected to the earth. Inhale both arms back up to the sky. Shoulders are relaxed. Inhale. Exhale, twist to your left, hand coming to your knee, the other hand behind you. Take a moment to notice your breath as we move through these postures. And let's inhale the arms back up to the sky. Exhale, rotate over to the other side. Hand to knee and breathe. And gently bring both hands back up into the sky, palms together in Anjali Mudra or prayer position. Exhale, slowly bring your palms down to your heart center. Then down to meet your knees for grounding. Begin to shift your body to one side, coming into child's pose. Your knees are wide to the mat. Send your hips towards your heels. Extend the arms out in front of you. Inhale and exhale. Release the body to the mat. Forehead on the ground. Let's take a moment to do a deep cleansing breath together. Inhale deep through the nose. Expand your belly as you breathe. And exhale with a deep sigh. And gently begin to bring your hands in, lift the body and come into your tabletop. Shoulders on top of the wrists, your hips on top of your knees. We'll move into cat-cow. So inhale as you lift your chest, your tailbone, and exhale, send your chin to your chest, curve your spine. Take a nice deep inhale as you open up for cow. Exhale slowly for cat, curve your spine. One last time, inhale in, hold. And gently exhale, dome that spine, tuck your tailbone in. And gently send your hips back to your heels, bring your knees together. Inhale and exhale, rest your palms on your knees to take a moment to feel the earth beneath you. Know that you are safe and you are protected in this moment. And let's gently come forward back to our tabletop. Send that right leg out in front of you, in between your palms for a crescent lunge. And inhale that left arm all the way up as you lean forward into your knee. Feel free to come back out of it if it's uncomfortable for you. Again, it's about finding your comfort level. Exhale, bring the arm down. Place that left arm right next to your foot. Inhale, open up the chest towards your right, sending your right hand into the sky. Feel free to create a bind behind you if that is in your practice. And gently bring that arm down to your mat. Begin to shift the body back. Send your hip back, straighten that right leg, flex the foot for a half split. Breathe in here. Gently send your hips forward again. And send your left leg toward the right side of your mat. Send your hips down. Keeping a bend in your right knee, open up the chest, feel that hip stretch. Your arm is in front of your right knee. Inhale, open up the body, extend that right leg out. Lift the hips up off the ground. Open up your chest. Breathe. Inhale, sit back on your left foot again. Right arm is in front of your knee. Turn towards that right knee. Come back into your crescent lunge. And then gently bring that right leg back to meet your left. Let's move into a variation of child's pose. Bring the knees together. Arms are by your side. Forehead on the mat. And breathe. Connect to the surface beneath you. Bring your palms toward your face. Lift up. We're going to repeat on the other side. Bring your left leg in front this time. Bend the knee. Come into your crescent. Inhale that right arm up into the sky. And try to keep a 90-degree angle in that left leg. Breathe in. Exhale. Bring the arm down. Place that right arm in front of your foot. Inhale. Lift the left hand to the sky. Open up to the left side. Create a bind if that feels good. And exhale, slowly bring that left hand back down to meet the earth. Send your hips back for half splits. Straighten that left leg, flex the foot, and breathe. Begin to shift the hips forward again into your crescent. Send that right foot to your left of the mat. Hips down on that right foot, left knee is bent. Open up the chest, left arm in front of the knee. And then begin to lift the hips off the ground, extend that left leg out. Open up your chest, arm is stretched forward. And exhale, slowly come back down, resting on that right heel. Left leg is bent. Turn towards that left leg, gently come back into that crescent lunge, and then slowly bring your left leg back to meet your right. We'll come back into a child's pose to honor our lower back in this moment. Feel free to place the fingertips on the ground for an activated child's pose. Inhale and exhale, come all the way down to meet the mat. Notice how the base of your spine feels. And begin to gently walk yourself back up. We'll move into a straddle, so staying low to the ground. Tuck your toes, still hinging at the hips. Bring your feet to the wide side of your mat. Hands are on the ground. Inhale for halfway lift. And exhale, allow the body to forward fold in your straddle. Maybe send your hands to the back of the room or your space. Take a slight bend if that feels good to you as well. Breathe into this stretch. Feel the earth with your toes and your fingers. And gently inhale, come over to the right side of your body. Maybe take a bend in that knee if you need to. Gently work your way over to the left. Take a bend in that knee. And gently come back to center. Inch your way in, bring your feet in just a little bit. We'll come into Muladhara or a wide squat. Bend the knees as far as you can. Maybe you stay high or you can send the hips all the way down to the ground. Use your elbows to widen your hips. Maybe bring your hands into prayer position. And exhale, slowly bring the hips back up for a straddle. And gently roll yourself back up with your head being the last to come up. And begin to bring your arms out in front of you and all the way up to the sky. Bend at the knees, bend your elbows, come into your goddess pose. Feel your hips opening. Feel your body in this moment. Inhale. And exhale, release the knees. Hinge at the hips, come all the way back down to the ground. And make your way to the mat. Seated on the ground, extend your legs out in front of you. Place your palms by your sides. Just take a moment again to feel the earth beneath you. And as we connect back to the earth, maybe you envision roots coming out from the ground, holding you close, keeping you protected. Inhale and exhale, slowly hinge at the hips. Come into a forward fold and breathe. Slowly walk your hands all the way back up. Bend the knees, feet flat on the ground. Maybe you keep them there, or you can come into a variation of boat pose. Lift the feet off the ground. Lift your arms. Tighten the abs. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet down to the mat. Gently make your way all the way down. Bring your back to the mat, knees into your chest. Hug your knees in. And then begin to rotate the knees. Make circles with your knees in one direction. Take as big or as small circles as you need, and then reverse on the other side. Take it the other way. Just slowly massage your lower back in this moment. Knees in one last time, and gently place your feet back on the mat, knees bent. Place your palms onto the mat. Again, just take a moment to feel grounded, to feel safe, to feel protected. Move into a figure 4. Bring your left foot over your right knee. Stay there or lift the knee in the air. Maybe your hands come behind your knee. And breathe. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, your quads. And gently ease that right foot down to the mat. Remove that left foot back to your mat, and let's repeat that on the other side. Right foot comes over your left knee. Lift that knee in the air. Hands behind your knee if that feels good, or maybe over your knee. Breathe in. Feel the stretch, and gently place that left foot back down to the mat. And gently begin to extend the legs down toward your mat. Arms are by your side with your palms facing forward. Let's end in our mummy or Savasana pose. As we close out our practice, allow the sound vibrations to resonate through you. And to honor our root energy center, I will leave you with an affirmation that you can repeat whenever you need to. I am grateful for all that I have, all that I am, and all that I am becoming. Much love.